If I sing you a love song, will you always remember? Will you hear it on lonely nights when I'm not around? If I sing you a love song, will you hear it forever? To remind you how much I care and how I needed you. Love songs last longer than lovers ever do. So, baby, let me sing a love song for you. Love songs don't leave you, but lovers often do. Oh, baby, I'm afraid it could happen to me and you. You'll always remember all lonely nights when I'm not around.
Full of emotions, no? Galing. Ay, kinakalibutan ako.
Ma'am, gusto ko lang pong sabihin sa inyo na ganyan po ang tamang pagkanta ng kantang yan.
Salamat.
Believe ako sa boses nyo. Nagulat po ako. When you were belting out, your talent has not diminished at all. You're really fantastic.
Napaka makapangyarihan po ng inyong tinig. Ang buong Coliseo ho, sa 4 na sulok ay nayanig ninyo.
Salamat po sa inyong lahat. Maraming salamat po.
Nay, walang kupas yung boses mo. At ang ganda-ganda nung kanta, damang-dama mo. Ang ganda-ganda nung pagkakabirit mo nung sinabi mong love songs don't leave you, but lovers often do. Para kanino po yung kanta na yan?
Sa British partner ko.
So, baboto na po kami. Yes po ako sa inyo.
Thank you. Thank you po.
Such a powerful voice. Yes.
Thank you po.
Yes.
Thank you.
Isa pong naghuhumiyaw na yes.
Thank